Hi! In front of me is Huawei P30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open one of your apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, you need to select an app and open it, like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on the square one. Now you need to click on this icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here and even overlay other apps. If you want to move your app around, you need to click on the bubble, hold this blue line over here and drag it whenever you want to. If you want to go back from this mode, tap at the top right corner over here, and as you can see, now my app is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!